Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Today is a very dreary day in sunny San Diego, so I thought this would be a perfect day to bring some sunshine and summer into the day by making a pineapple upside down cake. But I am going to be making cupcakes instead. I haven't made a pineapple upside down cake in a very, very long time, and I'm honestly surprised I haven't done it yet because it is one of my favorite desserts. I'm really excited to get this started. I am first going to go pick up the ingredients and then we're going to get started. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. We have our ingredients. Now it's time to go get bacon. Alright, you guys, we're back and we are ready to get started on our pineapple upside down cupcakes. There is always a risk when baking with fruit because they do add an element of moisture to the mixture, which can lead it to underbake. A lot of issues can happen, so hopefully it doesn't happen this time. The first thing we need is a yellow super moisture cake mix. And we're just gonna make it like we would a regular cake. So 1 cake mix, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. We also need 1 cup of water. So traditionally you would use a regular cake pan, but because we are using cupcakes, the bottoms are actually gonna be the tops of this. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and grease this down and then we're gonna assemble. And you wanna do a really good job at this because we are gonna be flipping them out and you want them to pop out easily. All right, the next thing we are going to do is the assembly part. So you're gonna take some brown sugar and you are going to pack just a light layer in the bottom of each cupcake. This is one of those cakes that I always forget about, but it's one of my favorites. Comment down below if you've ever had this and if it's one of your favorites too. Okay, so that is all done. All right, the next thing we are going to do is put a piece of pineapple in the bottom. Because these are smaller cupcake tins, we're not gonna need the entire ring. So I'm just gonna see how. So I just cut it down so it's a little bit smaller. See if that'll just fit in the bottom. Perfect. And I did drain both, and then I don't like these cherries, and this is the only cake that they actually are good in. So put that down in the center, just like that. Okay, the last thing we are going to do is just spoon in the batter. Now, I mean, I'm not gonna fill these crazy full because I know they're gonna rise, so I'm just gonna do this may be more pineapple than cupcake. Or maybe we'll let them overfill and then we can always just trim off the bottoms. Cool. All right, so the oven is set to 350 and I'm gonna put these in to start for 15 minutes and we'll check them then and just see if they're done. All right, moment of truth. Oh, wow, okay. Those look really good. Those look really good. Let's check them. Okay, not quite ready yet, so I'll give them 2 more minutes. All right, they look really, really good. I'm impressed. All right, so I was expecting them to bake out, but they baked up, so that's a really good sign. I did a toothpick test and they weren't quite ready, but I think now they're ready. So we're just gonna let them cool and then we're going to flip them upside down. All right, are we ready to flip these guys over? All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. These are the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. I just have to say, these turned out even cuter than I expected them to. I'm so happy with these. They're adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with these. This is my new favorite dessert. You guys, these are so cute. I don't even want to eat them. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I can't even they're so good. They're so cute. So we didn't have any baking disasters. The moisture from the pineapple stayed separated from the cake. The brown sugar came down the sides, so it's really got a tiny bit of a crunch. That is really good. So here are my thoughts. If you like pineapple and if you like cake, this recipe's for you. Thank you so much for watching another episode on Kristie versus Kitchen. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.